Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sara Designs. Let's see the part 2 stitching video. Here I am taking can panel and I am going to place the velvet panel on top of it, and I am going to make a stitch on every side. Again I am going to place the lining fabric over the top, stretch it down and turn it. So the panel is ready. In the same way, I am going to make the rest of the panels. Next, we are going to join all the panels that we have got ready. Take one panel, then place another panel on top of it and join the seam line with 0.5 inch. So we are going to join all the panels in the same way. So the 360 panel skirt is ready. Now let's see how to stitch the lining. Here we are going to stitch both sides of the fabric and join them. After that, fold the bottom line and stitch it so the lining will be complete. Now I am going to take a strip of 26 inches length and 2 inches width to make the bow. Now I am going to fold it. And draw a diagonal line like this and cut it. Then make a stitch in the corner and turn it, the bow will be ready. Now let's see how to complete the yoke. Firstly, take the front yoke, then place the lining on top of it and stitch the neck with 0.5 inch stitching allowance and turn it. Now take the back yoke and place the zip as shown in this video. Use a single foot and complete the zip. Then add lining on top of it. Now stitch the neck side and zipper sides and turn so the back will be ready. Now I am going to join the front yoke shoulder and the back yoke shoulder as shown in this video on both sides. Now open one side shoulder and place the another side in the middle. Stitch the two together as shown in this video. Now pull it out from the inside. It's little bit tricky to pull it out, but it will look very nicely. So pull it very slow. So we are going to complete the other side in the same way. Now let's see how to attach the bow on yoke. I am going to place the bow like this on both sides. Now place the back yoke on the front. Now join it with 1.5 inches stitching allowance. Next I am going to complete the darts with 3 inches length and 0.5 inches width. Now turn it, the yoke will be ready. Now take 1.5 inch strip to make the shoulder strap as shown in the video. Here mark the midpoint and again mark 2 inches on both the sides from that midpoint. Now take 6 inches strap and stitch it on front and back shoulder line. Next, I am going to attach the lining in the yoke. If the lining waist is too loose, just make a small pleats randomly and stitch it around the waist. Stitch it around the yoke. Now I am going to attach the panel skirt just like we attached the lining. Please do follow the steps whatever I shown in the video. Now let's see how to make the can ruffles to adding puffiness in the gown. Let's take the length of can is 9 inches and let it be the width generously, because if we want more puffiness in the frock, we need to add more can ruffles. That's why I am telling. Now let's see how to attach this can ruffles inside the gown. Just open the skirt and place the can ruffles on top of the lining. And sew it around the lining. This is what it looks like after stitching. So this is the final look of the dress. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.